After one quick poll, one quick thought, one quick vote, the deed was done. But it didn't go without trouble. Amazon delayed the shipping of the motherboard several times, and that delayed the process, frustrating Joseph. But nevertheless, Joseph bought a new motherboard, which was newer and better for the price, and the building began.
You're watching Joseph Games.
I don't know how to intro this. What's good, YouTube? I'm Joseph here and welcome back to another video. Today we finna build a PC. Now this is my first PC build and this is my first gaming desktop PC. Like, this is finna be beastie. This is, oh my god. I've been through numerous different pre-built Walmart PCs, and then I got a gaming laptop, and you know, didn't know the downsides and the cons about having a gaming laptop and cooling issues and all that. Right now it's only good for recording this very video. That's it. So for the motherboard, I have a ASUS motherboard, AMD Ryzen 5 5500, an AMD RX 6600, Patriot Sniper 32 gigabytes of RAM, and then a 600 watt thermal, a salvaged 1 terabyte SSD from SK Hynix, and another salvaged NVMe SSD, which is 500 gigabytes. So without further ado, let's get to building, my boy. Let's start with the motherboard, okay? All right, y'all. Oh my god, bro, this is not happening right now. This is not happening. Oh my god, what is this? SATA, we got some SATA cables right here, you feel me? All right, and this is the motherboard. Oh my god, get out of the box. IO shield, some standoffs for the M.2. So let's go ahead and unbox it, man. It's heavy, bro. It's actually kind of heavy. That's crazy. So we have 4 slots of DDR4. Now I'm only gonna occupy 2 of them because that's all I got, because this motherboard was a last minute decision. The other motherboard only had 2 RAM slots. This has 4. I think I already said that, Joseph. Calm down. The next thing I know to do is install the CPU and its heatsink, okay? Now I didn't buy an external heatsink because I knew this one came with it, and all the reviews saying that why am I stuttering so much? Is it because I'm excited? Basically, the heatsink that comes with this is good enough. 6 cores, 12 threads, 4.2 gigahertz max boost. All right, let's go ahead and do this. 6 surgery. Put this down. It's that easy? We done. We're done. Okay, it was that easy. It was that easy. All right, next is the CPU fan. Now, they did say that this came with thermal paste, but I do have some backup thermal paste I used for trying to fix that crappy laptop. Look at that cooler, bro. Don't this cooler look cool? Yeah, is that thermal? Yep, that is thermal paste, and I just put my finger on it. Step to me, get a Hadouken. Cause you in the run like Wayne Shaputin. Katana to your neck, they call me moving like Daniel son, but what you doing? Slow it down, take a breath. Hey girl, I like your left cheek, that is, on your butt. Let's take a show so your boy some love. Yeah. Corey Kenshin is the name. Corey Kenshin is the man. Are you trying to step to me? Boy, you a freaking lame. I don't even know the dime. All I do is play the game. Chassis fan, RGB header. Nigga, where's the freaking CPU header? All right, so you want to do a star pattern so everything can spray easily. So I'm gonna start up here. I hope that cracking is not a problem. The CPU is now finished. Yes. Now the next logical thing to do is the RAM. Let's go. This RAM is thick, bro. This is the prettiest RAM I've ever seen in my life. You gotta use so much force for this. Get out the box, man. Hey. That did not sound good. It sounded crunchy, but it's in there. The next thing before we try to put it in the case is my M.2 drive. All right, and that's the motherboard complete. Now we're on to phase 2. Got it in plastic. Okay, good. It came with a cable. I had one prepared, but I didn't know if it came with. Here it is. I know some people that are tech enthusiasts are gonna be like, it's not a modular power supply. Shut up. Oh, brother. All right, there's only one thing to do. Bust up that case. Let's just take these off for now. All right, I think there's standoffs already in here. I think. I only see 2 standoffs.
Hey, he don't see no standoff, so I had to speed it. I'ma have to get it, ooh, I'ma have to eat it. Bring it here on my plate right now. I'm about to go to town, I'm about to chow down. Hey, come around, what's good? I'm tryna come up in your hood. Let's be friends, let's be best pals. Wow, you like to get loud? Turn it down, man, yeah, you know you trippin'. I'm about to come to your town, yeah, I'm about to sippin' on a drink in a tank, and you know we lit. This a bit, it's a miss, I'ma get the lit. Hey, be calm. I know you like to watch my videos, but be calm. Like your name was Bria, don't put your arms in the air, cause I don't care, you know I'm not fair. Yo, bro, you gotta calm down. Ain't no need to be screaming in the mic. You had it peaking, dude. You had it freaking peaking, man. You know how hard this mix audio? You don't understand. You don't understand. But listen. Hey, I need you to relax in the Cadillac. Let's go to town, bring you around. Yeah, you is kind. You're one of a kind. Yeah, be mine. I want you. I couldn't even finish. I ain't even I don't have nothing else to say. This is a long clip, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, I'm reading the manual because I didn't know where to plug something in. I didn't know where to plug it in, but you know I am kin to the greatest of the greatest. Hey, as Jesus Christ, yeah, you know I'm right, yeah. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Pull up to the gang, you know I'm not the same. Cryptic unknown, yeah he not shown. That's why he unknown. You cannot see him where he is, man. I don't even know, bro. I had to put the case on his bottom. I had to work on it from the bottom. I might have to cut this part cause it's kind of boring. Oh, you see that bottom at the bottom. But that power supply was so hard to put inside the case with a rest. Boy, I arrest my case. Hey, I'm blessed, yeah, I'm rest. I'm finna to test the testicles. Test. He said testicles. Yeah, I'm about to mess with y'all. I'm finna tell y'all a story about the molester ball. What? Whoa, that sounded kind of wrong. I might have to cut that out, but I like the song. Turn up, everybody that's watching this video. Go down to the comments so that you're the real ones. I don't care about the people that I never see. I never turned about I'm the same. Yeah, CRAY, community so cool. I'm geeking in this room, bro. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? But this beat is fire. I know you is. I know you is. I know you freaking fire. Until then. Will you wait for me? That's all I ask. Will you wait for me? My one request. Woo! Hey! Oh my God! Hey, you see that graphics card right there? I paid a lot of money for that. You better thumbs this video up. For me, bro, this is like a vibe party right now. This is lit. For me. Ooh, and they keep going. It keep on flowing, and I keep on going. I put the desk down, turn that frown upside down. Come on around, let's get there together. Like a feather. What the piss is this? Bro, I did not change the beat. What is this? Is this the same file? Hold up. Built this PC with my own money. Hey, you know it's not funny. Oh, the file ran out. I feel overstimulated. Ooh. All right, the PC is finished. Now let's go to the other part of this video. Thank y'all so much for listening to this. If you made it, please give go down in the comments right now and be like, Josephify. I mean, what? Who? Huh? Who? Be like, Joseph. Just put a rabbit emoji alongside your comment if you want to. If you at this part right now, like I'm stalling for enough time so you can put that rabbit emoji if that makes sense. Right. Okay, cool. Thoughtfully. It's here. It's working. It's alive. Right now, it's getting some Windows stuff ready. I had to redo the Windows installation because I added another drive, and the other drive already had Windows on it, and then it was like really confused. So I just redid everything. So we it's doing its thing. Just know that. Right now, I just have my webcam right there. I want to use this camera, but I need to get a bigger SD card, and that's pretty much it. Got the mic right here with the pop filter. It's looking all nice. Like, I really like how this look. It's really modest and just like calm, unlike this. Got the other monitor over there, plop it on the desk when I want to play the Xbox or just need 2 monitors if I'm streaming or something, you know, blah, blah, blah. Right here, look at that design, bro, that look fire. Look at that, just, you know, streaks right there, streak right there, streak right there, and it's just, then if you look down, I got my makeshift carpet right here, because, you know, we got a hardwood floor house now, but, you know what I'm saying, makeshift carpet knocking, really get down, you know what I'm saying? But bro, like when I record, just close the door, you know what I'm saying? You know, now it's lit, man. It's so clean. Got the Funko Pop in there. Like, there's no RGB, but it worked. As long as it worked, that's the important part. This is about to fall. Just caught it. Oh dang! Can't let the landlord see that one. I have this because my graphics card has more display ports than HDMI, and if I want to use like my PSVR or, you know, another monitor or something like that, I'm gonna need, you know, more inputs. Then if we move out here, we got this guy. Got anything to say? Word. So out here, I got the green screen. If I'm doing any green screen content, you know what I'm saying, I can just come out here doing my little dancey dance, do a little jig if I wanted to, but it's lit. Well guys, this is it. This is how it's gonna look for the foreseeable future until I get an adult and, you know, move out of my parents' house. But other than that, this is what it's gonna look like for now. I am extremely grateful for what I have, and it would not be possible, number one, without my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Ain't no telling where my family would be, where I would be mentally without the Word of God and just Jesus Christ in general. And I also gotta thank you guys, because if it wasn't for y'all blowing up that bad parenting video, getting it to 4, well, it's not at 4 yet, I don't think. You guys got it to 377,000 views. And, you know, since YouTube pays, I was able to get me a grip of money, and I spend a majority on it on this PC build. I know it's not gonna be my first time getting paid. It's not gonna be my first time getting money in general. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna go in and spend the $500 that's necessary to get rid of my PC problems, so I could just move on about my life and really enjoy content and just take it up to the next level. Also, Windows is almost done. This camera is asking for my country or region, and the aspect ratio is a little weird, but we'll fix that later with drivers. But y'all, I am excited for the future of this channel. I'm excited to just get stuff done, have fun, and just be lit, be legendary, you know what I'm saying?